In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an agent's Zillow account. This guide is designed to walk you through the entire process step by step, making it as simple and straightforward as possible. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zillow website. Once you're on the Zillow homepage, if you already have a Zillow account, you'll want to log in. Look for the Sign In button, typically found at the top right corner of the page, and enter your credentials. If you don't have a personal account yet, you'll need to create one by clicking the Sign Up button and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged in, turn your attention to the navigation menu and click on Find an Agent. This is where you'll begin the process of setting up a professional agent account. As you explore this section, keep an eye out for the I'm a Pro option. This is specifically tailored for real estate professionals like you. It will guide you to where you need to go next. In the I'm a Pro section, there should be an option to create a free agent account. Click on this link and you'll be redirected to the agent account registration page. If everything's going smoothly, you should see a button labeled Sign Up Now. Click it and you'll be taken to the registration form. This is where the real fun begins. Start by entering your email address in the provided field. Make sure it's an email you frequently check, as Zillow will use this to send you important updates. Next, create a strong password. Pick something secure, yet memorable. You want to keep your account safe but accessible to you. Now, it's time to choose your category. Whether you're a real estate agent, broker, or involved in some other domain of property management, select the one that best describes your role. Once that's done, you'll need to fill out your name. This step is crucial because it ensures your professional identity is represented accurately on your Zillow profile. Following that, enter your zip or postal address, allowing Zillow to customize your agent experience to your location. After all the information has been inserted correctly, click on the Continue button to progress. Once your account is created, head over to your Agent Hub. This can usually be found at the top right corner of the Zillow homepage. The Agent Hub is your portal to managing your professional presence on Zillow. It's a good idea to spend some time familiarizing yourself with its features. The final step is to edit your profile. This is where you can input more personal details and preferences about your professional services. Once you've finished editing your profile, make sure to hit Save and Apply, and that's it. You're all set with your very own Zillow agent account. Congratulations on taking this step towards enhancing your visibility and professional reach.